doctor, also there, a lot of time what happened that they also, the patient goes to a nearby medical store or a chemist shop and they buy few medicines with, just by asking the chemist. So at that time, the chemist actually prescribes them a cough syrup or, few medicines or few tablets. So at that time, would you recommend them to go take a cough syrup if they are having cough or cold? So would you recommend them to go directly to the chemist and take whatever they are prescribing?
I will not advise, but if a healthy person who has little bit cold initially with the body pains, he can take paracetamol, no problem. He can take antihistaminic, no problem. If 1 or 2 days, if you take, your problem coming down, no worry, it is fine. But prolonging your medical prescription without doctor for a long time, after 2-3 days also problem persists, just you are taking antihistaminic or analgesic, it is not good at all. So initial 1 or 2 days for a healthy person, it is fine. But after that, if your problem increase, don't take that chemist prescription. Go to the doctor, get a proper medical treatment, total treatment. That means antibiotics, antihistaminics, nasal drops, if antacid, if there is a gastric. So take the proper total course of the treatment. If you don't take total course of the treatment, this will go into chronic stage. That is not good at all.
Also, doctor, what happens is when a person is going through cold, so a lot of times, especially at the night time, what happens is the nose gets blocked. So they have a lot of issue in breathing. So only when they sit for some time, they, the nose opens and they are, able to breathe with the nose. Otherwise, they mostly have to breathe with their mouth, when the cold happens and the nose gets blocked. So now what people are doing is they are going to the doctor, or I don't know if they're going to the doctor or not, but I've seen a lot of people, what they're doing is they are buying those small drops, those boxes of drops that actually they put into their noses, and it automatically opens the nose for a continuous 12 hours or 14 hours. So such drops were not available, but now such drops are available, especially for the kids also, and for the adults. So you are being an ENT surgeon, would you say that those drops that people are using to get their blocked nose open, would you recommend them, and would you say they are safe and healthy?
It is not good at all, but once in a while, when rarely if you have acute attack, your nose get blocked, but once or twice it is fine. But using nasal drops daily for opening of the nose, it is not good at all. It will increase your problem even after treatment due to rhinitis medicamentosa. That means rebound condition. It is very serious adverse effects of the nasal drops. So it is not good at all. But once in a while, if you don't have doctor, or if you have severe nasal blockage due to early cold, you can use once or twice, not more than that. If you need to use the drops for a long time continuously, daily you are getting nose block, you are going to use, it is not safe at all, it is not good at all. Even with that situations, we may miss the diagnosis, you may miss your actual problem, that problem may go up, increase day by day, especially nasal polyps, turbinate hypertrophy, sinusitis, all those things. So don't use that drops for a long time. Once in a while, acute stage, once in a while, you can use once or twice for acute cold. Don't use that. It is not advisable at all. Even that nasal drop, those who are giving ads also, they will specifically say under physician prescription, under physician advice. So always it is, you use those drops under physician advice, depending on, he will tell how many days you need to continue. So don't use for a long time that nasal drops.